Hi everyone, welcome back to the React.js video tutorial, and in this video we will see that how we can use the bootstrap with the React. In the market, bootstrap 4 is released, so we will see this example with the bootstrap 4, but basically the same step also you can use with the bootstrap 3. So now let's start with the code, and before the code I will show you that how and what steps we have to do for this. So first of all, we have to install the React Bootstrap and the React package. After that, in the index.js we have to import this file, and after that we can just import the component and we can use it, and we will make an example of it also. So just go on first of all the command prompt and install the React Bootstrap and Bootstrap package. So just write here npm install React Bootstrap space bootstrap, and just hit the enter, and it will just take some around 30 to 40 seconds, and if your internet speed is fast then it will just install before it. But within this time I am just going to import this file inside my index.js. So I am just going to open my index.js file and I will just import it here, and after that we can just go directly on the code. So let's see that is it installed or not. It will just take some moments. Yes, it's just installed. So this code is running here properly, that's fine. So I'm just going to open the app.js file. So let's click on it, and now first of all I have to import any one component which we can use. So first of all I am just importing the button from React Bootstrap, and now I can just simply use this button here. I can just make it bt button, and now let's see. Now we can see that this is already have color, but we did not even provide here color, but it already takes some colors. Like we can just check here, it already have the class btn and btn minus primary, and if we just comment it out for a while, then we will see that it will just become like a normal button here. All right, so this is it how we can use the bootstrap. So for more detail you can just make it React Bootstrap and just click on this the first link. Now let's click on the get started, and you can also see this all steps are here. Just how we can install this command. The first one is here, and after that we can use one of them one command. So I just use this one, and after that we can just import the button, and it will just work very simply. All right, so if you just want to import some other stuffs, like in case of layout you just want to use layout like this, then this is also possible. So just go back here, and on the grid I am just going to copy it and paste it so that we can also check the another example. So whenever I'm just going to paste it, it will show me some error here like this. For that, let's make a zoom out. For that we just have to import the old stuffs from the React Bootstrap. So like container and call and all. Now everything is imported here like this. So if just make it more stuff like this, so we can see that these stuffs are here also. So let's just get some more stuff from here. If you just want to try it out, like this is looking like they are just a responsive content, so you can just get it from here and simply paste it here. All right, now we can also see that these are also working fine here also. All right, and if I just come here and I want to see it, then you can see that everything is just fine. We have a course like here, and we have a container here, everything we can see easily here. All right, and we can also see the row also here. So this is the example at how we can use a bootstrap with the React, and this is the version 4. And if you just want to go for 33 version, then you can just click here bootstrap 3. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.